Hi, I'm Tunde Dugantsi and today I will share these Art Deco cookies with you. I airbrushed all the cookies black. This is just airbrush color on the bare honey gingerbread cookie. You can find the honey gingerbread recipe on my blog. I like to use it because the surface of this cookie is pretty smooth, so I can use airbrush color on it and it will give a nice surface to start with without a layer of icing. And I use gold color icing to pipe the design on the cookie. These are all kind of geometric shapes. uh, if you follow this step by step, I'm pretty sure that you can make these because these are not complicated designs. This was another set for Club Cookie Academy. I decorated 8 cookies there. You will see the picture at the end of this video. If you would like to get 2 new classes each month and all the older classes, then check out the club information in the description below. Club members also get free templates and files for 3D printed cookie cutters. So everything that's related to the project will be available on the club page. Special designs and templates and special files. So this is the second design. Mostly straight lines. So if you can pipe straight lines, you can definitely pipe these designs. And this is just a black airbrushed background with a gold color icing. This is a soft piping consistency icing. And at the end I will let these dry and I will paint the lines gold. So this was our second design. I try to post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and if you don't want to miss any of them, then subscribe to the channel and push the notification button. So this one is the third design. These are so much fun to make. And the full set has the same design with white background and some colors and black lines. You will see the picture at the end of this video. So if you would like a different variation of these, then check out the club for those. And this is the last design out of the 4, and as I said, I let it set a little bit before painting the gold color on them. Just the lines. And here is the full set. I hope you like this video and see you again soon.